7.
Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 7.
Very good.
Oh, 1. Oh,
Very good.
Ah,
8 plus blank equals 3. Blank plus 3 equals
5.
okay. 2 plus blank equals
2.
5 plus blank equals 9.
4.
Okay, very good. Oh.
Ano?
Okay, 5 minus 2. 5 minus blank equals 2.
Lang.
Okay, 9 minus blank equals 7. Okay, ilan?
Oh,
3 minus blank equals 2. 6 minus blank equals 1.
5.
Very good. Para din balos.
2, 4, 6. Oh, 4, 6. 8.
Okay, very good.
8.
Okay, 10. Ano sa 10?
12.
Okay, 12.
14.
Ano sa 14?
18.
Ano 18? Ay, counting to 2, counting to 2. 14. Ano bilang ka? 6, 14, 15. Oh, 16. Oh, so 16, 18. 18. Oh, counting to 2. Ha? Oh, 22. Yan sa 22. 24. Very good. Lion, lion. No coaching. Spell crab. 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 Ab. Spell yo-yo. Spell name. Spell small. Small. Oo, spell small. Small. Love. 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 Spell monkey. Monkey. M-O, monkey. 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 Spell blue. 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 Tapos mag-spell ka ang other sounds. Oh.
Lisa has 2 red apples and her friend
John gives
her 3 more apples. How many apples does Lisa have now?
2. Oh, ano gagamitin mo? Wait.
Last.
Very good. Oh.
3 and 3.
Oh, how many apples?
2 plus 3.
Oh, 2 plus 3 equals?
5.
Very good, anak.
Wait lang. There are 5 birds
Sitting
sitting on a
Branch.
branch. And 2 more birds come to join
them.
How many birds are there?
They're in top. Oh, how many? Oh, there are.
2. 5.
Oh, ano siya? Addition or subtraction?
Just stop.
No, paano naging subtraction yan? How many, di ba? O, ilan? Basahin mo yung ano, yung sentence.
Gagawin na.
Plus, kasi di ba, more 2 birds pa. Oh.
Dito.
Oh, basahin mo yung, itindihin mo yung ano, sentence.
5 plus 2 plus 7.
Very good, yun nga, very good. 8 equals? 3 minus 2.
3. Then, 0.
6 minus 0.
As
Oh. 8 minus 1. Very good. 7 minus 1.
Wait lang.
Very good. 6 minus 2.
6, 5. 5.
6 minus 2?
4.
4. Very good.